and welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial I would be teaching you how you can purchase small amounts of crypto with your mobile money using your phone. Alright, so in the first tutorial I promised that I would also do a mobile version of the tutorial, and so this is it. So going straight to the point, when you go to your Play Store, you just search for this app, My Bit Store. Alright, you search for the My Bit Store app. Okay, so this is the My Bit Store app. I've already installed it, but then if you haven't installed it, you just install it. Okay, and then when you are done installing it, you open it. Alright, so after you're done opening it, this is the interface of the app. Okay, so yes, this is the interface of the app, as you can see over here. Okay, let me just log in first. Alright, so I've logged into the app. So let me just show you, as you can see over here. Alright, I'm just going to go to the trades section. The app is a bit slow. Okay, the app is a bit slow. I've forwarded the issue to the developers and they said they are working on, making it a little bit faster. Yeah. So as you can see over here, these are some of my recent trades. Okay, these are some of my recent trades that are over here. So when you open the app, you finish creating your account on the app and you verified your information and your details. That's using your ID. If you're in Ghana, you can use your Ghana card, and then you just do face verification. After you've done all of that, you just go to the home page of the app. Let me open the app again. It's running a little bit slow. So you go to the home page of the app. So when you go to the home page of the app, you just tap on, that's if you want to buy USDT, you just tap on quick buy. Okay, you just tap on quick buy. So now when you tap on quick buy, you just get your USDT address. Alright, so like I said, I use Binance. Yeah, I use Binance, and I like to use the Arbitrum network. Okay, because using the Arbitrum network, you can send even 1 USDT. Alright, okay, so I'm just going to change the coin here to USDT. Alright, so this is Binance. Okay, I'm sorry, I paused the video to bring it all the way here just to show you something. So when you want to deposit the USDT and you come to Binance over here, you can use AVAX C chain because they too have a minimum deposit of 0.001. So with that one, you can also use it to buy small amounts of USDT, and then you can also use the Arbitrum. Okay, but you can also use Optimism, but I like normally using Arbitrum. So when you just tap on the Arbitrum, what it will do is that it will now generate the deposit address for you. So you copy this deposit address, then you go to the My Bit Store. Alright, when you copy the deposit address, you go to the My Bit Store. So when you go to the My Bit Store, you just go to the quick buy, and then you select the coin that you are making a purchase of. So they always give you the rate over here. So currently 1 USDT is 12 cedis, 80 pesos. Alright, so I'm just going to buy USDT. Okay, going to buy USDT Tron. So you change the network to Arbitrum. So this is Arbitrum. So I'm going to select it. As you can see, it's even recommended that you use Arbitrum. Alright, and then I'm going to paste the USDT address I copied from Binance. So the minimum with this app, the minimum you can buy is 2 USDT, $2. That's 2 USDT. So I'm going to select 2 USDT, and then I'm going to select the payment method. Okay, and then after selecting the payment method, I'm just going to preview the trade, and then after that you wait. Okay, so it will tell you, when you come to this page, it will show you how much you are going to pay in Ghana cedis. So 2 USDT, you are going to be paying 26 cedis, 20 approximately 30 pesos. All right, okay, so I'll just tap on confirm, and then when you tap on confirm, they will bring a prompt pop-up to let you type in your Momo pin. Alright, so I'm just going to pause. Alright, so I've typed in the Momo pin to confirm. So we are going to wait over here, and then we are going to see whether we are actually going to get the USDT even if we use the app. Okay, it's actually very simple. There is no long process. You just have to create an account, get yourself verified on it using your ID. Yes, create an account, then you get yourself verified, and after getting yourself verified, you just follow the steps that I've shown you in this video, and you can buy any amount of USDT into any Arbitrum address or Avaxi chain address using the same method, as long as the network is supported in the app. Alright, so whilst we wait for it to confirm, please do well to subscribe to this channel and do well to like this video if you want to see more problem solving content like this. Okay, and always remember that every time I post a video in my channel, I leave a promo code for Boost My Social in the description. If you want to know how to use the promo code too, you can also check the description for a video link that will lead you to a tutorial of how you can benefit from the promo code. The promo code can help you increase your engagement across all social media platforms. Yes, I myself sometimes use it personally. Okay, and if you face any issue with everything that I'm showing you in this video, all you can do is you can just go into the comment section and lay it out over there in the comment section, and I'll address your issue in the comment section. So yes, as you can see, the trade has completed successfully. Okay, the trade has completed successfully. So yes, the app actually works. Okay, this platform actually works. It's legit, it's credible, and it's also fast. Okay, it took okay, yes. So when you are done, you can just go to home. You receive an email. Okay, you receive an email from them. Okay, you receive an email from them verifying the purchase, and you also receive an email from Binance verifying the purchase. Okay, as you can see, when I come over to my Gmail, okay, come over to my Binance, as you can see, USDT deposit has been successful. All right, and the deposit is $2 like we did. Okay, so that's basically it. The app actually works. You follow this method, you would get what you are actually paying for. You would get what you want. So like I said, subscribe to my channel for more problem solving content like this. Like this video if you found this very helpful and resourceful for you. All right, thank you for watching this video and staying throughout this tutorial, and I'll be hoping to see you as my subscriber in my next video. If you've already subscribed to my channel, you must really know a lot of stuff, and you must really be getting a lot of valuable content, and I appreciate you as my subscriber, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you in my next tutorial. And shalom, bye.